Today, I'm super excited to tell you about our new listing at 4202 North 21st Street, right in the heart of the Arizona Biltmore and Arcadia Light area. So what's great about this place is that it's entirely renovated. If I took you inside with a blindfold on and removed it, you would insist that you're in a brand new place because that's exactly what it looks like. Everything's new. The inside, needless to say, is really great and I can't wait to show it to you. But maybe the best thing about this house of all is the area, the location. Right down the street, we've got the Arizona Biltmore Fashion Park. We've got Helton Brewery right behind us. Excellent schools. There's a lot to do in this location, and that's why so many of us love living here. I live less than a mile away from here, and it's hard for me to imagine living anywhere else. So with no further ado, let's go inside so I can show this place off to you. As you can see, we've got a 2-car garage with an epoxy floor. So if you've got a nice ride, you want to keep it out of the sun, it's going to be easy to do that here. We've got some overhead storage. Now, let me take you inside to see all the good stuff. Now come on inside. I can't wait to show you the inside of this house. Come on into the great room. I want you to see this part of the house. We've got this great expansive ceiling, got a beautiful fireplace and tons of natural light in here. It's really easy to picture entertaining, being with family, watching the game. It's a great spot in the house. This is a really cool little niche in the house. It's our dining area. And before we did the renovations, this was all closed off. So this kitchen area that you're about to see was a nice kitchen, but it was a little bit dark because there was a big wall here, and we just opened all this up so that we could have a kitchen that would be open to the rest of the house. Some of the nice features about this kitchen are just the layout itself. We really worked hard to get the layout right. So we've got this fabulous peninsula with the sink so that you can work and interact with your guests as well. We've got these shaker cabinets that are 42-inch uppers, lots of lighting in here, this beautiful countertop with a 3-inch edge. Another thing I love about this kitchen is that it is super easy to keep clean. We purposely put in this beautiful glass backsplash, which is quite attractive, and it's nice to be able to wipe down if you're cooking some spaghetti sauce and you get a little splatter. It's not a big deal, you just wipe it down. The kitchen also stainless steel to go with all the appliances. Looks really great. And we've got a pantry over here to the left of the refrigerator. Also got a full-size laundry as well as a powder room downstairs so that you don't have to run up and down stairs every time you need to use a restroom. Let's go upstairs so I can show you some of the great features of the rest of the house. Up here, we've got all 3 bedrooms, a hall bathroom, and a master suite. Let's go directly into the master suite because that's where the house really sizzles. This master suite is not going to disappoint. It's an oversized room, high ceilings, lots of natural light in here, and you can see we've got a California king-size bed. There's enough for 2 of those things in here. We have it set up with a sitting area, which is really nice, but if you wanted to have a TV down there, you could do that too. This master bathroom is the wow piece in this house. We really went all out. We have a soaker tub, giant walk-in shower, and all the walls from floor to ceiling are beautiful tile. The rest of this upstairs portion of the house has 2 additional bedrooms. In this hall bathroom, we added a second sink, so if you've got a couple of teenagers, everybody's happy, right? On our back patio, we've got a spool. It's not a pool, it's not a spa, it's both. So come on out, let me show you what it looks like. We've got this great little cascading waterfall, kind of a little resort setting back here. What a great spot to end your evening or start your day. Now look, if you're not absolutely sure about which neighborhood to be considering for your next Phoenix move, check out my neighborhood playlist here, where you can discover all the neighborhoods in the Phoenix area right from your computer. And if you happen to know of a neighborhood that I haven't made a video of that you would like one of, just leave a comment below and I'll make it. Thanks for watching this video. See ya.